ASUS ROG Crosshair X670E HERO. So friend, EK is releasing a new AMD AM5 socket based monoblock, the EK Quantum Momentum² ROG Crosshair X670E HERO D-RGB Plexi. The monoblock is engineered specifically for the ROG Crosshair X670E HERO motherboard from ASUS, and trend it features addressable D-RGB LEDs compatible with ASUS Aura Sync RGB control and offers a full lightning customization experience for every single diode at any given time. And friend, this quantum monoblock is EK Matrix 7 compliant and allows the use of the stock IO shield with LED implementation. And friend, this is a complete all-in-one liquid cooling solution for AMD's Ryzen 7000 series processors, compatible with the AM5 socket on the ROG Crosshair X670E HERO motherboard. And friend, the monoblock packs with the latest generation Velocity² cooling engine to ensure the best possible CPU cooling without reducing flow to other components, and it directly cools the AMD Ryzen 7000 series CPU and VRM section. And friend, the cooling liquid flows directly over all critical areas, providing enthusiasts with an excellent solution for high and stable overclocks. And friend, like other monoblocks, the EK Quantum Momentum² ROG Crosshair X670E HERO D-RGB features a high flow design and can be easily used with weaker water pumps or lower pump speed settings. And friend, the cooling solution also comes with sophisticated D-RGB lightning that connected this ROG motherboard via the standard 3-pin 5V D-RGB addressable header named AURA Generation 2. And friend, the monoblock has a 3-pin 5V D-RGB LED strip that connected to the motherboard's 3-pin LED header on any other supported 5V 3-pin LED controller. And this product is compatible with ASUS Aura Sync RGB control software, and the arrow making on the 3-pin D-RGB LED connector is to be aligned with plus 5V marking on the AURA Addressable Generation 2 header. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it is priced at $279.99. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.